have Forza Horizon 6, how to enable disable online crossplay, turn off, turn on crossplay. Temper 1. Launch Forza Horizon 6, start the game from Steam, Xbox app, or Microsoft Store. Wait for the main menu to load completely. Sign into your Xbox account if prompted. 2. Open the Settings menu. From the main menu, select Settings. Wait for the Settings screen to open. 3. Navigate to Online Settings. Scroll through the settings categories, select Online Multiplayer Network Settings, open the Online Options menu. Harbor 4. Find the Crossplay option. Look for Crossplay, Cross-Platform Play, Online Crossplay. Highlight the option. 5. Enable Crossplay. Select the Crossplay setting, change it to On, Enabled. Save your settings. 6. Disable Crossplay. Open the Crossplay option, change it to Off, Disabled, confirm and save changes. 7. Restart the game, close Forza Horizon 6 completely, relaunch the game, verify the crossplay setting has been applied. 8. Check Xbox privacy settings, PC and Xbox. Open Xbox account settings. Navigate to Privacy and Online Safety. Ensure multiplayer and cross-network play permissions are allowed. Save changes. 9. Update the game. Open Steam, Xbox app, or Microsoft Store. Check for game updates. Install any available updates. Restart the game. 10. Reset online settings if crossplay is missing. Open game settings. Restore default online/network settings. Restart the game. Check if the crossplay option appears. Note, crossplay options and menu names may vary depending on the game's version and platform. If the game does not provide a crossplay toggle, matchmaking behavior may be controlled automatically by the game or platform settings.